Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Zolo Halo Speaker. This is an ALEXA enabled speaker. It's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, has ALEXA, far field voice control, streaming music via Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, powerful and clear sound, multi-speaker synchronization. So I think you can pair up to 4 of these together. And they have the Zolo Play app for iOS and Android. And as you would imagine, this just arrived today. So we're gonna have to cut the plastic on it real quick. So we slide it out, have the Halo on the front. That's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. That's actually really small. Let's take a look at what's included. We get a Zolo power brick. We get to peel. And also in here we have an owner's manual, important safety information, how to contact them, and then it shows you how to set it up. And before we plug it in and set it up, let's take a quick look at the speaker itself. There's a mute button right here on the front, so if you don't want ALEXA listening into your conversations, you can press that. You have a volume down and volume up button. You have these 2 holes, which I assume are microphones. You have a Bluetooth button to pair it to your phone, to your computer, whatever you have. And then I would assume this is a play pause button. And then in the middle is another one that might be to hail ALEXA. You have what looks to be a light, your aux out, and your power in, and then your speaker grill here. So I'm gonna plug this in. Light turns on, light turns on.
Hello, your Zolo Halo is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Zolo Play app.
I gotta download the app, man.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so I've returned. Yes, agree and continue. It made me download the app, which it's probably going to make you do. So I did that. It's going to search for the speaker, add device. Light turns yellow. Continue. Zolo Halo D740.
You've connected to Zolo Halo. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Zolo Play app.
Okay, and now we go back, and I would assume it's finishing the setup, or at least attempting to. Come on, man, I've got things to do.
Your Zolo Halo is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Please log in to your Amazon account in the Zolo Play app.
Alright, and then it will connect.
Login failed. Please log into your Amazon account from the Zolo Play app.
To you Amazon app. Oh, and it just connected, so I can...
Left channel.
Oh, God.
Right channel. Stereo.
Okay, and I can control the volume. Change the settings. I can rename it. And I gotta sign in. Sign in with Amazon. So far what I've noticed in setting this up is you need patience and quite a bit of it. So, yeah.
A few minutes later.
Login failed. Please log into your Amazon account from the Zolo Play app.
I'm trying.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Keep me signed in, sign in, and then it will log into ALEXA.
Zolo Halo is ready.
I'm trying to explain that. Stop doing my job for me. And, yeah, you can see it'll mute, and that actually turns on. So we can say, you can control the volume of the speaker from the app or from the speaker itself.
Bluetooth connected.
So you can use this as an Echo device, or you can use this as just a dedicated Bluetooth speaker. And I'm going to get some good old Happy Life here. And this is at about half volume. Skip to the good part. Oh, and the ring even lights up with how much volume you're using. That's pretty cool. Alright, we'll try something like, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? Did you just ignore me twice? What time is it?
It's 6:42 p.m.
Oh, you can give me that, but you can't give me the weather? Alright, let's try something like this. Turn off floor lamp.
I didn't find any smart home devices under Jacob's account. To get started, go to the smart home section of the Alexa app.
Oh, did I pair this to the wrong? I'm gonna be so mad if I paired this to the wrong one. No, this is not the right...
Your Zolo Halo is ready.
I understand. I don't want it to be ready. This video's taking forever. Erg.
2 very boring minutes later.
Your Zolo Halo is ready.
Alright, let's try this again. Turn off floor lamp.
Okay.
Alright, that works. Turn on floor lamp.
Okay.
Nice! Alright, that took a lot more effort than I originally thought it would, but it works. Do I have the Apple Music skill? That would be great. Play Happy Life on Apple Music.
Apple Music is not supported on this device.
You've gotta be kidding me. Oh no! Oh no. Oh no, no. Oh man, that blows. Tell me a joke.
Actually, my friend Jimmy Fallon wants to tell a joke. Let's give him a shot.
What did the horse say to the scarecrow? Hey!
Ask TubeBuddy what my subscriber count is.
The real-time subscriber count for channel Technology&Toys is 174.
Oh, we're up one from when I checked earlier. Nice, thank you. So my first initial impressions of this is just an unboxing. This isn't my review because I gotta set this up and, you know, not have things I'm doing in negative 10 minutes to get a feel for the speaker. First impressions, if you have the patience to set it up and you're not buying it specifically for Apple Music, this is a great speaker. It's actually only $20. It does go out of stock very frequently, but when it's in stock, it's only $20. And considering that an Amazon Echo Dot is approximately $50, although they do go on sale a lot, you're saving around 30 bucks. So, I mean, it's not going to be as smooth or as simple as an Echo Dot or something like that. But if you just want something that works, takes a little while to get it to work, but if you just want something that works, this might be worth looking into. I'll have this link below if you guys want to check it out. Like I said, it does go out of stock extremely fast. If you guys can find it and you want to have a little bit of fun, I'd at least recommend it for that so far. So guys, there you have it. That is my unboxing of the Zolo Halo ALEXA enabled smart Bluetooth speaker. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications with the bell icon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.